In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate or deactivate an account in Slack. This tutorial is great for Slack administrators or users responsible for managing their team's accounts. Whether you're looking to onboard a new team member or need to deactivate an account for someone who's moving on, I'll walk you through each step to ensure the process is clear and straightforward. Let's dive right in with our step-by-step guide. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace with the necessary administrative permissions. These permissions are important because only administrators have the ability to activate or deactivate accounts. Once you're logged in, head over to the Slack homepage. You'll find this in the web browser or through the Slack desktop app, whichever you're more comfortable using. Look for your workspace name in the top left corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, which will guide you to the administration section. From this drop-down, select Manage Members. This action will redirect you to a comprehensive list of all members who have access to your Slack workspace. Here you can easily sort through the list to find the specific account you need to manage. If you have a large team, you can use the search bar to quickly locate a particular user by entering their name or email. Once you've located the user, you need to inspect the right side of their name where you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal options like Deactivate Account and others, depending on your workspace's configurations. If you want to deactivate the account, simply click on Deactivate Account. A confirmation dialog might appear to assure you want to proceed. Confirm your decision by clicking Deactivate or any equivalent confirmation button. This action effectively removes the account from accessing the workspace. It's a good practice to communicate with team members beforehand, ensuring all necessary information is preserved before deactivation. Now, if you're aiming to activate an account, the process is somewhat similar, but in reverse. Navigate again to the User Management area. Here, you'll find options to reinstate previously deactivated users if their account is eligible for reactivation. Simply look for the member's name and select Activate Account from the drop-down menu. Confirm any prompts that appear, and the user will regain access to the workspace. Remember, while activating or deactivating accounts, always check your organization's policies or guidelines. Managing team configurations responsibly helps maintain both security and efficiency within your team. By following these steps, you can ensure a seamless transition for team members joining or leaving your Slack workspace. I hope this guide makes your Slack administration tasks more manageable. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day managing your workspace with ease.